Okay, so here we are. The Vanmoof Electrified S. It has arrived. 8 weeks waiting. They say this is the Tesla of electric bikes. I would not disagree, but I would actually say this is the Bauhaus Redux. This bike is designed from the bottom up, and we're going to unbox this puppy today. It just has a couple of plastic pieces on it. So as you can see, nice black, looking good. And we'll explore all the features in a second. I'm just going to take up all the plastic pieces, start assembling it. As you can see, there's just a couple of things that need to be installed. One of them being the pedals. Should be pretty straightforward. Well, one thing I can already tell you that this bike is very well constructed. Quality is as it should be for this price. Clearly very good. So here we have our first pedal. I'm just putting on the second pedal here. Yeah, so this is a very nice, the chain is entirely covered in this protector here. Unscrew the handlebar so it can be turned. Tightening those 4 bolts here, turning around the handlebar. That works. It just turned on. I'm just putting on the pouch for the chain. And there's a couple of screws. This is where the chain goes, in here. And I will show you later how to use it with the app to unlock the bike. But here we are, this is the app for the Vanmoof. And this is the bike entirely assembled now. Up here we have the carrier that came a day later, so I installed this. And as you can see, the app is used to lock the bike. You take the chain out and you basically just pop it here into the frame. And if you approach the bike with your phone, it will allow you to just unlock the bike within 10 seconds. You basically just hit this button, and you can also change the power settings both within the app, so you can have a power assist from 0 to 4, 4 being the highest level. You can also control the lights, you can turn them off and on, and just change the settings in terms of metric or US miles. And yeah, this is the app. We have to try it out, but this is the bike fully assembled, and like I said before, if you can spot the difference, leave a comment below.